Hi, I'm Lola. I'm from Mallorca.
I'm James. I'm from the UK.
And I'm Elia, and I'm from France.
And together we're OnMateria. As OnMateria, we're very much focused on sustainability in tackling our design challenges. Together, I think we bring different elements of that, whether it's designing systems or looking at new materials or circular thinking. Together, these help us really bring a new dimension to design.
So we met each other during our masters at ECAL, and by chance we moved here to Sweden. They moved to the south, I moved to Stockholm, and by starting to collaborate little things, we decided to create OnMateria together.
So one of the projects that we want to showcase is an ongoing exploration and research project on natural fiber, and more specifically flax, or better known as linen. In the flax, in the natural fiber itself, we've been looking at the whole plant, the linen plant, so from the seed, where you can get the oil that then you can turn into composites, but also the fiber itself that then can be used as a material that can strengthen the composite material. So we had an approach that was really looking at the totality of what the plant could bring to create better products.
So we have been trying to apply this research mostly in sport equipment, as it's a sector that uses extensively toxic materials as carbon fiber, and it needs at the same time a very performative material.
The normal construction of a snowboard is very much about layers, and normal materials that you might use are glass fiber with a foam core, and that's all bonded together with quite toxic resin with some metal components in there that cannot be removed. What we do differently is that we look at those layers, and starting with the core, we replace that maybe with an aspen or a balsa. It's very lightweight. And then we use the layers of the natural fiber, which are really engineered to bring the strength. So we have that 45 degrees at the bottom. On top, we have something that is strong in 3 directions, and that brings performance. All of this is sandwiched together in our version with a thermoplastic. The thermoplastic is a really good alternative to resin because it could be more impact resistant, but also at the end of life it could be recovered or even composted.
And that at the moment the project has been very much on the research and exploration with the different materials, but we've come so far that it's with the knowledge we have and the materials we're using and the experimentation we're doing, the leap to produce it and to be able to sell them and then to go and ride down the mountain, we're just one small step away, really.
Being a designer, it puts us in a unique situation almost, that we touch so many different areas and industries that we are able to be the bridge or the portal for different industries to connect, to find new solutions, whether it's from an artistic perspective or really making very technical things very understandable to normal people. And I think design is incredibly powerful that we can do that. So I feel a responsibility that if you're able to use your creativity to do those things, then that's a responsibility. Yeah.